Hello everyone, welcome back to NextGen Labs SL. Have you ever bought an RGB Neon Light and felt disappointed because it only has a few built-in lighting effects? Well, I had the same problem. This neon light looks great, but the original controller only offers a limited number of patterns, and after using them for a while, they become repetitive. So today, I'm going to completely transform this RGB Neon Light into a smart Wi-Fi controlled lighting system with hundreds of beautiful effects using an ESP32 and the free WLED firmware. By the end of this video, I'll be able to control everything directly from my mobile phone, including colors, brightness, animations, playlists, and much more. Let's begin. First, let's take a look at how the original controller works. As you can see, it can only cycle through a small number of preset effects. That's fine for basic use, but we can do much better. To make this upgrade possible, I'm replacing the original controller with an ESP32. The ESP32 is a powerful microcontroller with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it perfect for smart lighting projects. Combined with WLED, it unlocks hundreds of amazing lighting effects, smooth animations, custom color palettes, timers, presets, and wireless control, all completely free. Now, I'll carefully open the original controller and remove the existing connections. Inside, you'll find three important connections: the 5-volt power line, the ground connection, and the data line. The power and ground supply electricity to the LEDs, while the data line carries digital commands from the ESP32. Now it's time to connect the ESP32 to my laptop and install the WLED firmware. After the installation is complete, the ESP32 creates its own Wi-Fi network. I'll connect to it. Open your web browser and search for WLED ESP32. Open the first official WLED installation page. Click the Install button. Select the COM port where your ESP32 is connected, then click Connect. Next, choose your ESP32 board, confirm your selection, and click Install. If this is a new board, select Erase Device to perform a clean installation, then continue with the installation process. Now the WLED firmware is being uploaded to the ESP32. This may take a minute, so just wait until the installation is complete. Once the installation finishes, close the installer window and unplug the ESP32 from your computer. Then plug it back into the same USB port or any other USB power source. As soon as the ESP32 restarts, it automatically creates its own Wi-Fi network. Now I'll switch to my mobile phone. Open the Wi-Fi settings and look for the new WLED network created by the ESP32. Connect to it, and after a few seconds, your phone will automatically open the WLED setup page. From here, you can configure your Wi-Fi, customize your LED settings, and start controlling your RGB Neon Light directly from your mobile phone. Open the WLED settings page, select the correct GPIO pin for the LED data line, enter the total number of LEDs, save the settings, and restart the controller. And now comes the best part. I'll disconnect the USB cable, power the system using a power bank, and open the WLED app on my mobile phone. Instantly, I can control the entire neon light wirelessly. I can change colors with a single tap, adjust the brightness, create custom presets, build automatic playlists, synchronize effects, and choose from hundreds of beautiful animations. The difference between the original controller and this upgraded version is incredible. With just a simple ESP32 and the amazing WLED software, we've transformed an ordinary RGB neon light into a professional smart lighting system without spending a lot of money. If you enjoyed this project and learned something new, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to NextGen Labs SL, and turn on the notification bell. because I'll be sharing many more exciting ESP32, Arduino, automotive electronics, and DIY technology projects very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.